Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're here in our Warsaw studios and Newark offices and at our studio here. And just finishing up all of the final touches to our CRE Awards, which is going to happen next week in exactly 7 days, Thursday the 20th in Budapest. So if you haven't already booked your corporate tables or sponsorships, there's still a few left. Not many, but there's still a few left. Definitely now is the time to schedule everything. We got 7 more days, and I think record number of nominations, record number of people attending, and of sponsors. So really a lot of investors coming down, a lot of people regionally attending, and of course from Western Europe. Also, 1 week straight after that is our CEE Investment Awards, which is here in Warsaw, and again, coming up quick, exactly 2 weeks away. And wow, it really does show that it's an event and gala season. We got that going on today, as even the British Chamber of Commerce Gala in here in Warsaw. So it really does seem to, with Expo Real kicking off, it does seem to last week, 2 weeks ago, does seem to be the kind of event season back again. So great to see everybody. So we've got on the 20th, we have the CRE Awards in Hungary and covering that region. And so Serbia, Czech Republic, Slovakia, and then 27th in Warsaw, again, covering, of course, Poland, the Baltics, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Romania, Hungary as well. So really a lot happening on that. Straight after is the MAPIC, which is the biggest retail fair in Europe, and of course, Europa Property is the international media partner for that event. So a lot going on there. Anything you may have on the retail side, properties where there's an opportunity for retailers to come in, now is the time to really promote it, because you can see there's a lot of retailers even coming into the market, even on even a lot of these web-based brands are now setting up internationally on the ground in the region. So we want to make sure that they know about all the properties that are available. Having said that, we'll take a little break, and then we'll come right back with Winston Norman and the highlights of the news from EuropaProperty.com. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com. So welcome back to EuropaProperty.com with Winston Norman with me. Winston, welcome to the show, and great to see you.
All right.
Here we are. Only 1 week to go to the CRE Awards, and seems like everything's coming together. So great to see everybody, and let's hear what highlights we have on the news for today.
Thanks, Craig. Yeah, today we'll start in Krakow, and Kazima and Griffin have completed a student depot dormitory. It's a 795-bedroom a residential scheme, and it was fully let upon completion. And according to the developers, it's a good sign that the dormitory sector is growing in Poland.
Yeah, it's a big number. Big project.
Big number, big program, big project. And half the tenants were local Polish people, and the second half were mostly from Spain. So Poland is a pretty good international destination for foreign students, it seems.
So a lot of Spaniards coming here for university, I guess, yeah?
Yeah, a lot of Spaniards going to Krakow in this particular building.
Krakow, nice.
And the main contractor scheme was Urbird, and it was developed by Echo Investment. And according to Stephen Young from Kazima, he says the demand for this high-quality offering has been excellent, and this underpins our view that the occupational fundamentals for the PBSA sector in Poland are strong. Moving on and to Romania, and Global Vision and Global Worth are expanding their industrial portfolio in the country. They've got a new building coming online in Mureș city, which is called Mureș City Logistics, and it's a last mile project with around 38,000 square meters, which will be delivered there. And it's the third location that this joint venture has completed. They've recently did one in Constanta and Hitila Logistics. And in addition, they're also developing in locations as Otopeni, Chitilia, Oradea, and Baku.
No, sounds like a lot going on.
Yeah, I think the logistics and warehouse market in Romania is really expanding.
Sort of non-stop at the moment. Yeah.
And I think there's a big need for that type of development down there. Staying in the logistics industry and moving to Hungary, and Hello Parks is completed the first column of their first 58,000 square meter warehouse in Hello Parks Pati Mega Park. This is a 70 million euro investment, and it will be one of the largest warehouse in the Budapest region, and Hello Park's largest project to date. And it's a big box type, and it's going to be handed over in summer of 2023. And according to the plans, this infrastructure will have a gross leasable area of 354,000 square meters of industrial and logistics space when it's completed in several phases.
Yeah, I noticed they were up for an award also at our CRE Awards in Budapest. Yeah,
they're a new company down there from Futureal.
Futureal.
It's around the Budapest area. It's an awful lot of opportunities for last mile logistics and industrial developments. And staying in the industrial and warehouse sector, and Panattoni has leased out almost 80,000 square meters to the global logistics provider DSV within the Wrocław Logistics South Hub. This is the first lease in the space in the developer's largest project in that particular region, and the project will eventually comprise 250,000 square meters of space.
Well, so another big project by Panattoni there. Yep.
Another mega project by Panattoni in Wrocław. Yeah.
Great. So that's all we have for today, huh? Okay, well, excellent. Well, thank you all for watching the Coffee with Craig show this Thursday morning. And well, stay safe and stay healthy, and we'll see you on Friday morning. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.